I look like I'm from the Hunger Games. Hello, I'm Peter. I'm back with Alex again, and we are going to the most obvious place on earth.
Starbucks?
Star freaking Bucks.
The what? The salt?
Got myself a iced coffee, but all they had was, oh jeez, all they had was cold brew, which is like the best iced coffee you can ever get. I gotta unlock it when I get to the car, okay?
You can't unlock it before we get to the car?
No, I can't.
Can you please show everybody how nasty the car is? So maybe they will tell you.
I'm gonna start a GoFundMe.
Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, and I am getting ready to go with my friend Myra, who is Dave's wife. We had the whole Halloween thing at their house. Anyway, she is coming to pick me up, and I'm going with her and their little boy DJ. We're gonna go to Opry Mills today because she has never been, and I've only been like once or twice, and the Disney store is there, so that's really exciting. So yeah, we're just gonna go and hang out and go to Opry Mills today, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm really excited. Yay! Looks like they're like smiling. I know. Hello, I am home now. The cats are very happy that I'm back. It's not like late or anything, it's just afternoon. I think I'm gonna go like lay down and just kind of relax for a little bit and then edit yesterday's vlog. Yeah, I'm just exhausted. I did get one thing while we were out. When we were at H&M, I got something. Here, I'll just kind of lay it out and show you guys. I just got this shirt. It's like a, just a thin long sleeve shirt. I thought it would be good for Disney because the weather is supposed to be like 70s during the day, like mid to low 70s during the day, and then like cold at night. So I thought that would be good for like layering, so I could wear that during the day when it's not very cold. Anyway, I'm gonna go lay down because I'm just really tired. I just want to kind of relax for a minute. But today's been fun. Henry, get out of the tree! This cat, I swear, you guys.
Watch ahead.
You got me. It's Thursday, and that means we're fixing lights on a lift. There's Alex.
Hi.
Working hardly. I mean, working hard. There we go. Look, There's John. We're back. Right. Can I get some fry sauce? How am I carry all this? Perfect, thank you.
Pick up a 2 green solids to go. I guess I could have gotten
I didn't expect it to be that much.
Wow. Look at it all.
Do you need a fork?
Yes, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Spoon, knife, and fork.
Pretty big deal there.
All right.
You guys, something terrible happened. Well, it's not that terrible. So I went upstairs to lay down for a minute, just to kind of relax, cuddle with Henry, mainly because I wanted to keep him from destroying the Christmas tree while I was up there. So I went up there and I fell asleep in about like 2 minutes, something like that. Woke up an hour or so later. Why? But honestly, I'm still like exhausted and super tired, so I don't think I'll have any trouble falling asleep tonight. But now I have to do editing, so yeah, I'm also really hungry. Anyway, you guys, Riley has been sleeping next to me for the past like 20 minutes and it's so cute. It is 9:30. I'm going to get ready for bed and Matthew is going to finish editing.
For the first time in ever, there'll be music and sound effects.
Because I do such a terrible job of editing.
For the first time in ever. Oh, jeez.
For the first time in forever. Dang, your voice has really changed.
The cold never bothered me.
Anyway. We will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Peace out.